Okay. Robotic points. Gonna do a new game. Let's do a custom map. Hilliness. Max, why not? Resources. Forest. Let's do 4. Map size 68. Opponent strength 5. Let's do map size 76. Why not? But you know, let's do everything max. This is gonna be a maxed game. Because why not? Okay, that looks interesting. Little green robot there. And we have begun. So, gotta get the resources going. Get a charging station before I forget. Like a big long road, so they have plenty of... The waiting line will be plenty long enough. Alright. Wood station. Don't make that noise at me. Crystal. Is there anywhere where we could put crystal at? Well, we'd have to find it. I'll pull up the mini-map. There's ore everywhere over here. At least. Oh, jeez. It's terrible. Still terrible. It's cutting through the forest, which I kind of need for buildings and such. Is there any ore over here where it's conveniently placed? Of course not. Well, I need ore. See if we can put a road right between those trees. Or over here. One over there is over here is a better option, probably. Even though it's longer. Although it'll probably be the same amount of time. Farm need that as well. No, I'm going to make the mistake doing it there. Ah, grr. Stupid hills. I'm already regretting these hills. Oh well, that's easier anyways. Is that too loud? Does it give me like... Whatever. I'm gonna go ahead and get back on there to lower the render quality. Okay, apparently it already did it. Game is stupid sometimes. Need crystal, dang it. Okay, so that means there's none over there. So, over here is where the enemy base is going to be. And if I want to win, I have to take that. Trying to find some crystal. Let's see here. Trying to figure out. There's this display that like showed the levels. I think crystal shows up at the lowest parts of the map, like over here. We need a battle station, possibly, so we can have battle bots to scout out things. Yeah, but I can already tell the crystal station is going to be a long ways away from our base, probably. So, until we get one, we can't exactly we can't exactly do things that require crystal yet. Go build that for fuel. So I'm gonna go as far out as I can and build a battle station. But I can't really attack anything, or at least it's not a good idea, until I can produce ammunition, and I can't do that until I get crystal. Might as well take advantage of these oil deposits, because if I don't, the enemy will. If they ever reach this point. I have a farm, and I'm building a refinery, so I don't really need... Yes, I know. Crap. I don't really need an oil rig for fuel, because I have a farm and a building. Well, I have a refinery now, but might as well take advantage of it. Do 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 do. So actually the only way I can place it here is by doing that. Grr. Game, why do you do this? Why do you do this? Whoa! Yes, I know, that's why I just started building. I need to get this oil. Before my enemy does. This is like an oil field the size I've never seen. What the heck? Said I could build there, and it's not letting me. Oh, jeez, it's... Oil rigs aren't a loss of any kind, because once they run out of fuel, or oil, well, it's called fuel, I can just demolish them, and I can dismantle them and regain the building material. So, fun times. That farm's doing really well over there, keeping this refinery full. I'm gonna have a lot of fuel. It's not so bad though, because that's so handy. There we got a charging station, defense missile ramp, that's cool. Yeah, since I did a custom map, I have all the buildings and robots and whatnot unlocked. Let's get one of these puppies rolling. Not there, obviously, since it won't let me. I'd prefer to build it near the ore station. Or... I'd prefer to build it near the ore station. Or... There we go, so that's close enough. Or... out of wood, dismantle unimportant buildings. What did I build this thing for then? You're resting. You're a robot. Why do you have to rest? Sorry, asking the difficult questions. How cement? I just built a cement factory. Why aren't you getting any granite? Oh, here comes some granite. Right here. If only my stupid cutter pods wouldn't be resting all the time. Oh, there they are. They're out there now. That nice magical sound of granite being produced. Speaking of which, I'm going to have to move my granite station soon. Well, they still got this one, but this one's almost not. This one's almost empty. Oh. Ooh, I just spotted the enemy. Hello, friends. Looks like... Yeah, looks like they're taking advantage of this oil as well. It's a good thing I got the jump on it. And I'm just gonna set a bunch of these to build. Or I could sabotage. I could build roads over top of it. Although... I I think if I build a road over top an oil field, it disappears, but I'm not sure. So we are producing cement, but I don't get access to it until it enters my base, unfortunately. Maybe I should build a depot, like out here. See, got a little bit of ammunition, but that's all the ammunition that I started with. Take out all goods. What does that do? Does that just tell the robots to take it all out? 'Cause that'd be stupid. You guys go over to this one over here. The forest replenished, so go over there. Missing transporter. Dude, is there something in this game I don't know about? Or traffic jams? I don't see any traffic jams. Do I not have enough bots for all of this? I have lots of bots. They're just sitting in here. All the ones with goods, most of the ones are with goods. The ones with goods are the ones like these guys. The ones surrounded with like a little blue tint around them. Those are the ones that are outside the base. So I have plenty of bots. Quit trying to scare me. Because there's also no traffic jams. Huh. I get that message a lot. I don't know why. It just seems like I get that message a lot. Every time I play, I get that message at some point. No, this is my oil. It's gonna be an oil war. Well, the oil is still there. Which means I'm gonna have to beat them. Fuel is important. It really is. It's what allows you to build. Well, not build it. It allows you to produce metal, which is required for robot production and maybe ammunition. Yeah, ammunition as well. Asphalt factory. This factory produces out asphalt. I think the roadwork station uses it, and it upgrades buildings using road worker bots. I've used that once the whole time I've played this game. It is pretty useful, actually. Basically, the robots move a lot faster on those upgraded roads. Oh, look at this fancy square farm. Can't build a road workstation yet. I don't have a robot factory. See, I can't produce microchips without crystal. I can't produce ammunition without crystal. So doing any of these three things is basically pointless without crystal. Which I badly need... Oh, here's one. Make that noise. Noise scares me. And of course it's gonna be a long time before I can build it. Right now we're just like competing for the oil. Yeah, I know, wood's in short supply. For some reason. How many cutter bots do we have? 2 more. So we can turn this one on as well. I gotta keep my eye on this so I don't cut down the whole forest. Because if you start going until the forests get cut down, you know, you won't be able to use that forest anymore. And if you do that everywhere, you'll lose all of the forests in your area, and you basically lose. Because you can't build anything. So the basic resource buildings are pretty good targets to do. Plus I'll get all my building materials back once these oil rigs run out of fuel. Out of fuel to pull up. Which this one has, so dismantle. Now I get the building materials back. Or at least most of them. Let's see. Yeah, I get all the building materials back except for like one piece of wood. Which isn't that huge of a loss, if I'm perfectly honest. This one's halfway empty, this one isn't anywhere close, that one's halfway, that's almost empty, and that's nowhere near empty. I want to keep myself from attacking. Because I am limited on a certain amount of ammunition. Because I don't have any crystal. Ugh. Oh look, there's more crystal over there. Why did they spawn with all the crystals? Is there a crystal over here? There might be. But I'm not sure because I can't see anything. See, I get that message a lot. I don't understand. Well, we've gone quite well. Having a bit of... Oh, no. Click on the building, and there is no oil underneath it, which means it's not an oil rig. Which means it could be pretty easily... It could easily be a battle station. So with that, I'm gonna save. I'll see you guys in the next video. And hopefully victory will be ours eventually. See you guys. Bye.